Hi guys, my name is Hilda.
And my name is Fabian.
And we are young travelers
exploring Europe. Today we are in Vigo, Spain.
And we're going to meet some firemen.
They are gonna show us how they deal with the fire in the forest.
Let's go!
My name is Franco. I'm the project manager of the Lume 1 satellite, and I design satellites to help detect wildfires.
Okay, so this is going into space?
Yeah, exactly.
Is it scary?
No.
No, it's not. Not really.
Yeah.
While the sensors detect a fire, they send an alarm to the satellite, and the satellite triggers that information to the firefighters, so they can send the drones and the UAVs to take pictures of the fire.
Fabio, what did you think?
That is really innovative.
That was really cool, right?
Yeah, I really like it. I hear just
this?
Yeah, exactly.
And this.